Hey guys, thanks for joining me on my channel once again. Today I just want to talk very quickly about the ebook I've recently launched literally 2 days prior to recording this video. So if you don't know me, my name is Darren and I promote 4 digital products in the e-learning industry, soon to be multiple income streams because of what we have launching inside our community, which is really exciting. I cannot wait to share that with you. But today I just want to give you an opportunity to download this ebook completely free. And just because I want your feedback. It's the first ebook I've created for my online business. It is called Digital Marketing Beginner's Guide. So I will leave a link below this video. Just click on that link and enter your email address. You'll get sent the details straight away. Download it, it's yours. And if you've got any questions or feedback regarding its content, I would love to get that from you. Just simply reply to the email that you get with the ebook details and just let me know what you think. If you feel I could add anything to it to really enhance the value even more, then I'm all ears. Absolutely. That's the beauty of digital marketing. Okay, so yes, you can promote your own digital products. Absolutely, like I'm doing here. Even though this is a free gift for you. I will, of course, at some point create multiple different digital marketing products. And you can do that, and you're in control of it. You can complete control. It's like the resale rights I have to a digital e-learning program, right? So I choose to promote that because I 100% believe in it. And what's launching in our community this month is gonna change everything, because it's not just another course. It's live and interactive mentorship, multiple Zoom calls, so you're getting guidance all the time. You're not left by yourself ever. So that's what I love about it. But this ebook for me is so important. I'll give you a bit of a glimpse. It is new for 2024. So a bit of a welcome page there for Beginner's Guide to Digital Marketing. A little bit of information about me. Okay, because I think that's important to share why I started in the online world. And ultimately, it was due to the COVID pandemic. I've been running a business with my wife in the UK for 19 years. And we've gone through 2 recessions and the pandemic, and I know we're in a mini recession right now. Hopefully we're on the way out of it. I'm sure we are. However, for me, it was the pandemic, because it closed my business overnight. The lights went out, income stopped, we couldn't operate. And yes, we still have that business, but will it ever be the same? It's unlikely, for many reasons. And that's for another video. So for me, I had to look outside the box. Our income stopped. Okay, we still had bills to pay. We had to take a bounce back loan because our business was not operating. I couldn't. So I looked outside the box. And even though I did start my online journey with affiliate marketing, and that gave me a really good grounding because of the course I was involved with, the program was fantastic. But for me, it lacked the mentorship that I needed as a beginner in that industry. So that's when I got a little bit overwhelmed at first, I'll be honest with you. And then I came across a guy being interviewed on YouTube, and I watched that, and he was talking about digital marketing, master resale rights, 100% profit, mentorship from a 7-figure earner. And it was like, okay, I looked into that, I went all in, and I made my full investment back within 10 days of starting. And it was just like, okay, this is the game changer. This mentorship and the step-by-step process that I felt I was lacking previously, I had it all here. And I've never looked back. Okay, so that's a little bit about me, and I'm more than happy to share my story with you a little bit more as we get to know each other. But for today, I just really want you to have a look at this ebook for me, because I just want your feedback, right? That's really important for me that I get this right. And this is the first draft, call it if you want. It's been launched 2 days ago. So I would absolutely love to get your feedback on this. So I will drop a link below. Just click that, enter your email address, have a look. Let me know either way, whether you love or hate it, okay? I've got thick skin. Let me know via email, but I will drop a link below. And don't forget, please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a fantastic day, and I hope you enjoy the ebook. Take care.